How to use garlic for acne. Acne is the most common skin problem faced by teenagers and young adults. It occurs whenever hair follicles come into contact with oil and dead skin cells. When the oil glands are mixed with male hormones that are produced by the adrenal glands of men and women, it forms pimples or similar, usually on the face, neck, chest, shoulders, backside of the body, etc. There are plenty of commercial acne treatments available, but they're often expensive and ineffective, and they come with unwanted side effects. Why use those when you can treat and prevent acne using garlic? It's safe, affordable, and effective, and we're about to tell you why it works and how to use it. Does garlic help to cure acne? Garlic has antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral and antiseptic properties that help to prevent clogged pores and thus reduces the acne. Its antioxidant property helps to fight against free radicals which can damage the body or skin cells. The allicin in garlic kills the bacteria that clog pores and cause acne breakouts. Regular intake of garlic will help to strengthen the immune system. It has anti-inflammatory properties which help to reduce the pain, irritation and the discomfort caused by acne. It helps to improve the blood circulation that allows the skin tissues to properly receive all the vitamins and minerals which are essential for healthy skin. It has sulfur compounds called thiacreminon, which acts as a drying agent and also removes acne scars on the skin. It has an excellent source of various acne-combating nutrients like vitamins C and B6, minerals, selenium, copper, allicin, zinc, used to control sebum, and other phytonutrients. It fights with insulin resistance which is linked to acne. The use of garlic oil helps to improve the insulin sensitivity. How to use garlic for acne? Garlic can be used alone and in combination with other natural ingredients that keep skin clear. It can be used topically and internally to treat and prevent acne. Use it regularly to season your cooking. Chew fresh garlic cloves 3 times a day, and try all the methods below until you find the one that works best for you. 1. Garlic cloves. Be sure while following this process, you are applying this garlic directly on the skin. Only use if you do not have sensitive skin. Peel, mince, and puree 3 garlic cloves. Apply to the affected areas of the skin. Leave for a few minutes and then remove the crushed garlic. Remove if the garlic starts to sting. Wash it off with cold water and pat dry. Apply moisturizer and repeat regularly. Or include garlic in diet but avoid eating too much raw garlic as it can overheat the body. 2. Garlic with water. Process 1. Crush 3 garlic cloves to extract its juice. Add to 1 cup of water and stir well, leave for 10-12 minutes. Soak a cotton ball in the water for a few minutes. Apply on the acne-affected areas of skin. Leave on for few minutes until it dries completely. Rinse it off with water. Continue this process regularly. Note, you can also use warm water. Process 2. Crush 3 raw garlic cloves which will trigger the allicin production. Mix with 1 tablespoon of water, more water for those with sensitive skin. Rub the mixture over the acne. Allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, if using garlic for the first time, or leave overnight. Wash off with water and pat the skin dry. Repeat this process regularly. 3. Garlic with yogurt. Process 1. Wash the face and pat dry. Blend 4 garlic cloves to make a fine paste and add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Stir well and apply all over the affected area. And massage gently. Leave on for few minutes to dry. Rinse the area with clean water and pat dry. Repeat this process regularly. Or consume above mixture to get rid of pimples. Process 2. You can consume this garlic cloves infused yogurt to get relief from the pimples problem. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of honey, few crushed garlic pods and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Stir it well and apply as a mask. Wash it off with water after 20 to 30 minutes. Repeated regularly for best results. Note, you can add garlic oil, 2 to 4 drops, or garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon, instead of garlic. 4. Garlic with vinegar. Finely crush garlic cloves and squeeze to extract the juice. Add an equal amount of vinegar, prefer apple cider vinegar, and stir well. Dip a cotton ball in the solution. Apply on the acne-affected areas of the skin. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat daily. 5. Garlic with olive oil. Peel and blend 4 garlic cloves and 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Transfer into an airtight container. You can store in the fridge for 48 hours. Eat a tablespoon of this, with water, twice a day. For more effective results, drink 8 ounces glasses of water every day with this process. Or you can apply on the affected skin and leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 6. Garlic, honey, and comfrey. Honey moisturizes and soothes the skin and cures the irritation. Comfrey is good for treating acne. Peel and mash 3 garlic cloves. Pound handful of fresh comfrey leaves and add sufficient amount of warm honey and mashed garlic. Warm a cloth or soft fabric and dip it in the mixture. Apply as a mask on the face and leave overnight. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat nightly. Or you can use this mixture particularly on the acne breakouts. 7. Garlic and aloe vera. Process 1. Peel, crush, and squeeze 3 to 5 garlic cloves to extract juice. Mix juice with 2 teaspoons fresh aloe vera gel or juice. Use fingertips to gently massage mixture into clean skin. Leave on for 15 minutes, rinse with water, and pat dry. Repeat daily. Process 2. Soak 2 to 3 mashed garlic cloves in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir in a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Apply on the pimples affected areas and leave on until it dries. Rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 8. Garlic, Manuka honey, and turmeric. Turmeric has an anti-inflammatory which helps to soothe the inflammation and the discomfort caused by acne. Manuka honey helps to heal the blemished skin and thus prevents the acne breakouts. Crush 6 garlic cloves. Add 3 teaspoons of Manuka honey and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Apply this paste on the acne-prone areas of the skin. Let it sit for few minutes to dry completely. Wash it off with water and pat the skin dry. Repeat regularly. 9. Garlic oil. Process 1. Pour natural garlic oil into a bowl. Use a cotton ball to apply to the acne-affected areas of the skin. Massage it gently for few minutes. Leave on for few minutes to overnight. Wash with warm water and a mild cleanser. Repeat regularly. Process 2. With salicylic acid. These ingredients are high in antiseptic and antibacterial properties which help to get rid of the bacteria causing acne. Mix 2 drops each of garlic oil and salicylic oil. Use cotton ball to apply mixture on affected skin. Leave on for few minutes, rinse with water, and pat dry. Repeat daily. 10. Garlic with egg white. Egg white is rich in proteins and nutrients which skin needs to stay healthy, and when applied as a mask, it shrinks pores and dries out excess oil to prevent infection. Peel and slice few garlic cloves and rub the slices on your skin, focusing on breakouts. Wait for 5 minutes for garlic juice to dry, then apply whipped egg white over it. Leave on until dry, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat daily to prevent acne. 11. Garlic with carrier oil. Peel and mince 3 garlic cloves. Heat olive or coconut oil over low flame and add minced garlic. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. When minced garlic turns dark brown, remove from heat and strain. Allow garlic-infused oil to cool, then use fingertips to gently massage into clean skin. Leave on for 30 minutes or overnight. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Save mixture in airtight container in refrigerator for up to 3 days and repeat daily. Eating garlic for acne. Eating or drinking garlic will work as an effective remedy for curing acne from the inside out. It fights internally the root cause of acne to prevent it completely. This will help to strengthen the immune system and thus improves the overall health and beauty. It is advisable to take 3 cloves of garlic once daily for a month to clear this problem. Process 1. Crush 2 garlic cloves to extract its juice. Add this juice to either water or V8 juice, etc. Drink this slowly. Brush your teeth to get rid of the smell. Drink once before going to bed. Process 2. Cut garlic cloves into small pieces. Eat these pieces throughout the day. Or you can add these to soups, salads, curries, gravies, etc. Process 3. Mince garlic cloves and add sufficient amount of applesauce. Stir it well to make a fine paste. Consume this paste daily. You can use cottage cheese or yogurt in the place of applesauce. Garlic can be in the form of minced, crushed or chopped. Process 4. Peel a few garlic cloves and crush into small pieces. Place in a pan and sauté to get a mild, roasted flavor. Add olive oil, Parmesan cheese and black pepper. Stir it well and use as a dip regularly. Garlic pills or capsules for acne. Make sure to check the allicin level in the garlic capsules, as the higher allicin in the capsule the more powerful the capsule will be. One supplement is called Alimax, one of the most powerful and safest garlic supplements for treating acne. It is rich in allicin in stabilized form, which helps to get rid of the bacteria in the body. So take Alimax pills every day or use Alimax cream. A second supplement is Garlicin, which is also a very effective garlic supplement but with a special property which leave your body smelling neutral. It is specially coated with organic film that helps to preserve the garlic powder. You can get them from a herbalist or pharmacy for taking garlic tablets. You will still get the benefits from taking them, but they are not as effective as the fresh form.